YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We're just looking at some Terra Luna trades at the top of the hour right now. It's 4 o'clock in California, and big developments in these charts right now that we want to pay attention to. Can we be looking at a possible recovery? We're going to examine these charts today. So if you're in this trade, or you're looking for a better position in this trade, hopefully this video will give you some clarity. If it does, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so that you guys can get up to the hour notifications on this trade. Because again, we're still bullish on this trade. Unfortunately, past couple days have been just a bearish downturn. But again, guys, we're out here retesting some resistance, and it looks like we can possibly pump. We do want to see, again, a little more volume. We'd like to see this thing start to tick up. I know there's a little bit of a delay on CoinMarketCap, so I do like to look over here at TradingView to see what the actual price is. You guys can see we're pretty much on point with what we're saying on CoinMarketCap right now, but we just need to see this volume break up, guys. It's very important that we break these upper levels so we don't break back down, because again, guys, right now we're absolutely still sitting in limbo, but this could be a possible recovery, and it could mean a possible bullish week for Terra Luna holders. Again, it's only Monday, guys. If we can possibly get in this trade now, maybe we can ride this up through the week. Of course, we still have to take acknowledgement to the fact that this has already had one fake out, right? They faked us out right here, and it ended up creating a head, shoulders, and dumping down. So we do know that this trade is very manipulated. Again, another fake out right here. So we're watching this trade. Again, if we break down, it could create this head and shoulders pattern, the same thing that we talked about here, same thing we've been talking about on the channel. It could still play out, but again, we only talk about the trend on this channel. We believe that the trend is your friend, and right now the trend is, again, flipping bullish. So we'll keep covering it. We'll see if this trade has enough volume in it to keep pumping. A lot of people talking about the coin burn that's coming up. I do feel good about the coin burn. I do feel like, though, there's going to be sell-off before that happens. Hopefully, we've already seen the grunt of the sell-off before we see the tax take place. Hopefully, this was the correction that we needed. But again, guys, we're always careful on this channel, and we're never putting more money in than we're willing to lose, because even though this is starting to break bullish again, we don't want to be over leveraged in this trade, and we don't want to get stuck in another fake out. So in my position, what I would do in a situation like this, because again, we still have some key resistance that we got to break right here. We got to break this resistance up here. Also, this resistance is going to be key as well for a recovery. If I was to get in this trade right here, what I would do personally, I would split my bag. I'd probably buy half now and half on a dip. I'm never going to, tell you to over leverage your portfolio into something, but I do see this as a project that still has more upside. Whether we've seen the bottom yet or no, I do think that this is, again, a great project to accumulate under a 5 billion market cap. I am chasing the cheapest price to dollar cost average. That's just what I do as a trader. I always take profit, and I always try to dollar cost average and time these pumps. Of course, you're never going to be able to time the top of the market, and you're never going to be able to time the bottom of the market. Just use indicators here, guys. And again, we look for possible zones of accumulation, and this is one. This is a zone that would not be a bad accumulation zone. But again, guys, we're not out of the woods yet. We can still break bear in this situation, so it's going to take time to play out. I do think that we'll probably have our answer to how this chart is going to break for the next couple days, within the next few hours. Actually, I think probably I get one chart that I always look at, guys, is the 4-hour chart. I think it's very telling what's going to happen as far as price, just because I just feel like the 4-hour chart and the 7-day chart are just tell the most of what's going on really with the volume in the trade. And right now, you guys can see we are chomping away at this green candle. We want to see this thing go up, not go down. So we'll see what happens. Again, hopefully this is not another fake out by the whales, but we do know at the same time that this market cap pumped a ton, and this trade is full of whales right now. So even though a lot of people are talking about the fact that this coin's probably going to pump a whole bunch after the tax, and again, I'm not saying it's not. I am saying, though, that we have to keep in mind, guys, what's going on with the price and how many whales are in this trade right now. Because again, guys, these whales are not your friend. They're not going to give you clear zones of accumulation, I don't think. I think that, they're not going to tell you when they're buying. They could be buying right now, or they could be buying at a cheaper price. It's up to you to use your own TA to decide on your own. All we do on this channel is kind of give you guys what's going on in the market at the time of the video. But again, guys, these trades, they break both ways all the time. This could break bear. We'll make a video saying that, hey, the trade broke bear. If we stay bullish, we'll be making videos saying, hey, the trade is bullish. It's not a bad zone of accumulation. This is what I am kind of doing right now. Again, it's never financial advice because it's always risky, right? We can always reject. Could always see a fake out right here. I did think that this would be a fake out. It was a fake out. This could possibly be a fake out too. I could be making a video in a couple hours saying, hey, this was a fake out, But again, right now, guys, if you're looking for a bottom, we're coming up again on some key resistance that we just need to break. So we'll see what happens next couple hours with this Terra Luna trade. Let me know. Do you guys think that this time we break this resistance and we're on a road to recovery, or do you think that they are trying to fake us out again and shake us out of our bags and get rid of some of these paper hands? I Again, I already told you guys what I think about the trade. We were bearish. Now we're starting to flip. It could go either way. But let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll keep you guys updated on this trade, and I'll catch you next video. Peace.